I haven't. Hi, YouTube. Hi, guys. How's everyone? I haven't really done a garden situation um, for you guys because, again, this year, I'm not the garden tender person. Um, but I'll give you guys a quick update. This is what we have going in the garden so far this season. Just some, looks like a lot of pepper seeds there. Some of the raspberries are doing good. We were able to reap some strawberries from out of here. Got some callaloo over here. Some more down here. I think they said there's potatoes there. That one needs more water. But yeah, this is just a quick garden update. It's not much going on in the garden because, again, I was not the one who tended the garden this year. So yeah, this is it. That's the garden. That's that's one of my blueberry plants that's doing really well. The callaloo are doing good. Those could be cut and cooked. And this is it. That's the garden.